My microwave broke like a month ago, so I had to get another one. So that one's trash. I'm gonna stick this half stick, quarter stick. I forget what stick, but it's dynamite. I don't know. It's not. I don't know. Whatever. But we're gonna light it up and see what the fuck happens.
He gotta run away very fast.
Ready?
Yep.